We are here to block them. This time we managed to just destroy all the food that was supposed to go to the Hamas. We have hostages in Gaza, and no humanitarian aid should go in before our hostages are out safe in their homes.